My dear friend's a driver by the trade. Around the city he always finds his way. Behind the wheel, from stop to stop he drives, and on weekends his passion overrides. He takes his camera and goes to a park, and in his eyes I always see the spark. Cap off the lens and focus sharp. Amazing picture is a result. The wheels and wings, two worlds he holds. The city asphalt, the nature's green unfolds. Click of the shutter, stories told. Bus driver by day, bird watcher gold. Feathered friends frame the perfect shot. City noise fades, just peace he's got. Brake lights flash, but trouble's forgot. In the lens, the world a delicate dot. He's in right place at the perfect time, where two words intertwine. Birds are flying, dancing in the skies. Here's your chance, don't let it by. Roots and routines, but dreams fly boundless.